One of the most important factors when you are a speaker is really understanding who your audience is, knowing what their learning styles are and how you can deliver a message that connects with them. Now, you can make your presentation with a bit of variety, with images, with speaking about the topics, your topic of expertise, having things so that people can understand, or maybe your audience really wants to know how they feel about a topic. But unless you engage in all of those aspects, of those components of learning styles, you're going to miss people in your audience. You're going to have people who are distracted and they're not engaged. And knowing whether people are visual, auditory, digital, kinesthetic, or a mixture of all of those, and the language you use is absolutely vital when you're presenting. If you want to learn a little bit more about that, if you're an up-and-coming speaker, then book in for a strategy call, janeenvosper.com. I look forward to chatting to you about how learning styles might improve your presentations.